Good day everyone. This is Nijil, Pratim and Satish, HR of XYZ Incorp. Now we are going to look into a report which is about attrition overview of a company for the financial year 2015. To give a brief arc of our company, we are a services company based out of China and with branches all over the world. We work majorly in 4 zones. The way we organize our company is one zone in Americas, one zone in Europe, and one zone in China, and one zone in APAC. So the report that we have prepared and the story is more about the attrition rates and the reasons why employees are attriting from our organization. So we have built a story and the story points about various reasons generally that employees would attrite from the organization, and we are trying to find out the exact reason and our reasons why employees are attriting from our organization. The way we have gone about preparing the report is look into various parameters that generally cause employees to attrite, like the demographics of an employee, the designations that we provide to the employees, the rating, the band changes, and if any other reasons caused by managers or the tenure that they stay with us. So we have looked into individual aspects and have included a story point for each one of them to find out the exact reason as to why employees are attriting. At the top you would see individual story points. We are starting with an overview of our attrition and attrition rates for every month and every quarter. Then we look into the demographics, which is generally the gender, the generation, the country, the age group. Any of our observations that we have captured have been highlighted in blue color. That is basically our interpretation of the parameter that we are trying to analyze. So for example, in this particular case in this particular story point, you see that there is no much impact of the gender on the attrition rate, and we could see that millennials with age group less than 30 are actually leaving the organization. So there might be something that we would need to do. We need to drill down to find out that why employees of age group less than 30 are leaving the organization. Similarly, we have looked into various other parameters like designation, and within designation how many number of years have the employees spent within the same band. If we have not been giving any band promotion to the employees, is that a reason why the employees are leaving? Within a designation, what sort of employees are average employees leaving, or excellent employees who have outstanding record leaving the organization? Just to quote an example, you could see that the leadership who are very strong are leaving the organization. Similarly, you would see if there is no rating movement, that is we have not been changing the rating, or employees who have not really changed their performance or improved their performance are leaving the organization. So we have looked at the rating change. We have looked if the age difference between the manager and employee is one of the reason why employees are leaving the organization. And we've also looked at the tenure that the employees have stayed with by the generation of the employees belong to. Some interesting observations, like even if a company is based out of China, we could observe that the attrition rates are higher in APAC. That means that even there are a larger number of employee base in China, but within the attrition rate is high in APAC, not in China. We've also looked at the reasons that stated by employees for leaving the organization. Finally, we have provided the key data pointers that we have actually extracted from the attrition data that we have collected to prepare this particular storyline. Thank you.